How's it going, guys? Harpreet Sandhu here with Soul by Harp. So today I just wanted to talk about how I was able to help one of my clients make an extra $6,000 a year. So how do we do it? Let's get right into it. So I had a landlord approach me about leasing out one of his rental properties, and of course I said yes. So I took the project on, and I toured the property with him when the previous tenant was still living there. And after touring the property, I made some suggestions and improvements that could be made so we could actually maximize the rental rate. So I did a bit of analysis of the market there, the rental market, and I suggested a list price of $2,400 and expecting we get somewhere from $2,300 to $2,400. And previously the property was rented out for $2,100. So that would mean anywhere from $200 to $300 more for my client per month. So the client took about 2 to 3 weeks to make the improvements and get the property ready to put back onto the market. Once we put the property up, we put it up for $2,400. We had over 100 inquiries in a few days about the property, and we ended up with 11 offers. And we had 11 good offers, and I was able to leverage the offers and get my client $2,600 a month at the end of the day. So that means $500 more than it was leased out for before the client had met me. And that means $6,000 a year. So the client can use this to make further improvements to the property, or also maybe potentially buy a second property. And why is this important? Usually we talk about this house sold in one day. Hey, I sold this house for 150% of the asking price. House sold for over asking, etc., etc. But for investors, first-time investors, for clients with second suites in their property, this is the important stuff. What can you do to make improvements to maximize your return, maximize the cap rate of the property? So an extra $6,000 a year, it's impressive. The client was impressed, and these are the little things I usually focus on, and hopefully we'll talk more about here. So if you have any questions, you can always hit me up, Harpreet Sandhu with Blue Elephant Realty. You can hit me up on Instagram, Soul by Harp, or send me an email, harpreet@soulbyharp.com. So if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments, send me a message. Love to chat with you guys. Have a good one.